Let's take a look at Skill 12, Subtracting Decimals. Again, this is part of RTI packet number 6, which is due on February the 10th, and your quiz will be February 11th. So to subtract decimals, you're going to line up the decimal points, then subtract as you would with whole numbers. So let's go ahead and take a look down at the bottom. We got 9 and 14 100ths minus 2 and 75 1,000ths. It may help you to go ahead and put a 0 here, and because we're going to subtract, we're going to have to borrow. Once you have done your borrowing and your subtracting, you should get 7 and 65 1,000ths. Let's take a look at number 2. Again, there's going to be some borrowing involved, so hopefully you remember how to do your subtraction from grade school. And number 2, you should get 706 and 9 100ths. Let's take a look at number 4 since it has money. So $12.65 minus $10.99 is $1.66. Let's take a look at number 12. There's a whole number involved here, so we have 18 minus $7 or 7.7 and 63 100ths. So let's go ahead and our decimal point and our zeros. So when you subtract 18 minus 7.63, you should get 10.37 or 10 and 37 100ths. So all this is just keeping your decimal point lined up and subtracting as you would subtract normally. So remember that you can always check by taking your answer or your difference and adding it, and then you should get the top number. So if you want to check it to make sure you didn't make any silly mistakes, you can do that. Let's turn to page 24 and I'll give you some problems to do. We're going to do problem 13, problem 14, problem 21, problem 24, problem 27, and then just to make sure you know how to set them up with the decimal points aligned, 29, 31, 33, and then 35 and 36. So when you get those finished, you can ask questions if you need to, or otherwise move on to Skill 13.